Okay, in there, what did you understand? Please explain in detail about whatever you understood.
Actually, I were not able to understand that much clear. This is not my topic, but I see they were talking about a company which has
Peer company.
multiple beer company which has multiple brand in different countries. Yeah, I understand this. You say what you understand?
What I same as you understood. Same as you. It's a beer company that is trying to sell its product in different countries and it's facing with many obstacles. So, what are the
Yeah.
strategies on how it can overcome its obstacles? That's it.
Okay. Yeah. It's really.
Okay, so in that, tell me, why do people drink alcohol? What's your opinion?
Oh, hangover.
Or
Like to. Yeah, it's so shortcut actually. I guess it's shortcut for everything. Or justify yourself. In if I will explain in few words, that's it. I guess according to me. And sometimes it gives joy also. This is also the reason.
for entertainment?
But if someone, yeah, but if someone has responsibilities, yeah, it's okay actually. Responsibilities will be there. Like when we born, we comes in the world with responsibilities. So there are for enjoyment and for that's all actually.
So, do you think that there's a possibility that people drink alcohol to escape the reality?
Sometimes
If the,
I
can
guess
you hear me?
maximum. Yeah, I can hear you actually. Maximum these kind of things happen actually
Yeah, what I'm saying
in
is,
our age group mainly.
can you repeat
Hello.
again?
Yeah, I'm saying this happen actually in our age group maximum. This thing which you said.
Why does it happen?
Yeah, they like we are not that much mature, and it's like a shortcut. We're getting enjoyment, and then we
No,
forget our
why do our
responsibilities.
age
That
group drink? Why do they drink? Tell me. Why do they think that drinking
I
alcohol
don't
is
know.
good?
It's kind of it's sometimes it's passion, sometimes it's like friend circle. These are the things. If you are in a such a friend circle where everybody drinks, and if you will be not drink there, so like they will be like you will
You'll be
be
neglected, right?
got it. You yeah, that kind of thing.
Peer
Drink
pressure, you can
purely.
say peer pressure.
So you yeah. So you have to drink.
So, do you think
Otherwise, you have
you
to say
have to
Tata bye
drink?
bye. Then you
A person doesn't want to drink, he have
what?
to drink.
Yeah, it's happened. It's reality, bro.
So, do
It's
you
happened.
think that
It's
drinking
normal thing.
alcohol contributes to peer pressure? This can lead to one of the causes of
Contribute.
peer pressure that Indian student has.
Which pressure you said?
Peer pressure, peer pressure. Peer pressure means
Peer
the
pressure.
pressure to keep up with your friends. Like drinking alcohol. 10 people are drinking. My friends are drinking. I have to drink also. Like that.
Yeah, yeah, definitely it's happened actually. Yeah. And now girls actually are in trend with beers and cigarettes. They like to do.
Yeah, yeah.
They like
They are copying boys.
no, they are not copying boys. I guess they like they're giving us a message that yeah, boys and girls all are same.
Yeah, that's
They're
what
just
I'm
comparing.
saying. They
Sometimes.
are, they are trying to prove girls and boys are same. Yes, okay, of course. They're same.
Yeah, they're saying that we are not like less than boys. We are also we can do everything which boys can do.
Okay. Okay, Hari sir.
Yeah.
Hari sir, please tell me why do people drink alcohol? Today's topic was about a beer company, AB in there.
No, what is the topic for today?
AB InBev. It's a beer company.
Okay, okay. Where
So why do
I
people
never
drink? Yeah, I haven't heard also.
right, I never heard about it, so I will be honest. So why do people drink now?
Yeah,
That is something a very personal choice. of every individual, why he is doing that, right? So everyone knows the pros and cons before doing as well as after doing, but still they will neglect it, or they will, the pleasure that they get by doing such things makes them do that more. So it's the kind of addiction. Having beer or alcohol, it's an addiction. So if it is at all that bad, then probably government would have stopped it long back. But it is not like that, because it is a tool for socializing also. Like most of the successful people, when you check or when you see their bio profile, so most of them are will be social drinkers. Like they will take alcohol socially in parties and all, and you get a very good bonding and networking when you take alcohol. So in parties and all. So it depends. It basically starts from there, and gradually it becomes an addiction for some people. So it becomes a daily thing, networking daily with that thing. So it's all it's all dependent on a person's choice. So if he wants, he can have it, and if someone who doesn't likes it or won't enjoy it, they won't have it, they will avoid it. So some people are very health conscious, so they won't take. But frankly speaking, if you have a very if you take it in a proper what we say, that proper quantity, it won't affect if you are having a healthy lifestyle. So excessive use of anything is dangerous. So it's the same with alcohol.
So do you think that people drink to escape reality? Escape reality in the sense, I mean, suppose a person, he hates his job. So after
Hmm.
working for 9 hours, he comes home and start drinking to get some relax or to escape
Hmm.
from his bad life, you
Correct.
can say. So is this
Exactly.
one of the reason?
Yeah, it is a kind of reason, because what that person gets after taking alcohol, his mind becomes somewhat it attacks the nervous system.
Relax.
It have relax. So it's not relaxed, but it gets disconnected from the outer world, somewhat
Yeah.
like that.
Disconnected from
Yeah,
reality.
disconnected from reality. So alcohol is not. I will not say it is that much putting effect on as compared to drug abuse. So I have seen people who take drugs because of they want to feel that, they want to live a life, what life they can't live in real life. They live that life by consuming some kind of drugs, narcotics. So that is altogether a different high for them. So alcohol will give you a slight kick to your nervous system, and you will get disconnected. You will forget whatever bad things has happened, and you will feel relaxed. This kind of that only.
Okay, so let's suppose a person is very happy with his life and
Mm.
also he is very happy with his job. He doesn't hate his job. He loves his job. So
Mm.
would that person drink alcohol also? Or he is always happy without alcohol?
No, happiness, we can't.
No, what I'm saying is many people drink alcohol to escape the reality, to escape
Hmm,
the life they are leading right now because they hate their
hmm,
life. So let's
correct.
say an example, a person loves his life, he also loves his job.
Hmm.
So do you think he could also get involved in alcohol, or do you think he can live without
If he loves alcohol also, then he will
it?
indulge
No.
in alcohol. He loves
Okay.
his life, he loves his job, then he
He
loves his
will love
alcohol,
alcohol.
then he will take alcohol also. But if he doesn't love alcohol, then he won't take alcohol.
Okay. Okay, in there, same question for you. What do you think?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, the question was, let's say, for example, a person loves his life. he also loves his job. So do you
Okay.
think in that case he could get involved in drinking alcohol? Because you see many people drink alcohol because they hate their life. To escape from the life they hate or to escape from the job they hate, they drink alcohol for entertainment. So if a person loves his job or loves his life, do you think he can also get involved in alcohol?
Actually, like which you gave me the situation, that's actually really not happen. Because if he's like satisfied with his job, is like he like actually his job. It mean definitely he wanted progress in job. So if he haven't time, so definitely he were not able to drink. But he have such kind of friend circle, so definitely he will took. But it by if he will motivated with someone, so it can happen actually. It's actually in reality it doesn't matter that much. If your mind, it's depend on actually your mindset. If your mindset is good, doesn't matter beer, whatever the alcohol, whatever you're doing actually. And really doesn't matter physically. It will harm you, but yeah, if you have some aims and that kind of thing, but you have nothing to do if you are taking this, so you are training yourself and nothing else, according to me.
Okay, Hari sir, now my question to you is, do you think that alcohol consumption can lead to peer pressure? For example, if a particular boy is with his group of friends, suppose there are 10 total friends and 9 of them are drinking alcohol and one of them doesn't want to drink. So do you think it can lead to peer pressure? Or
Depends. No, it depends on the person's morale, whether he is happy without drinking. So, and whether he is very confident and he is firm on his decision that I won't drink. So, I have seen people who drink cold drink sitting with 10 people who are drinking alcohol. So, that
no,
is all.
actually what happens is in that cases, in 90%, there is a 90% chance that that person would be ignored or neglected before, because
Mhm.
if you are in a group of 10% and 9% are drinking alcohol and you say no
Mhm.
directly, so
Mhm.
in that case there is a probability that you would be neglected by the rest
No,
of the group.
yes, probability is there. So there is a way to say no also. So if you say politely and if you are in a friend circle, so if your friendship is good, then it doesn't matter whether he is drinking alcohol or not, because many times uh, those who drink alcohol, they are very courteous enough to have a seat with people who are not drinking alcohol. So even if yes, but another case will be like they won't be invited at all if it is an alcohol party. In some other instance, if they are partying purely on alcohol or something like that, doing contrary and all, so in that case it will be definitely they won't involve such guys, or if they involve, then they have to manage accordingly. So peer pressure is totally your own morale. If you are firm in your decision, then it doesn't matter how, if 10 people drink or 100 people drink. Because if you are comfortable with what you are, if you are comfortable with what you are doing, then it doesn't really matters what the world does, right? If you are confident that you are doing correct and you are comfortable without alcohol, then it won't really matter.
Hari sir, I would like to
Yes,
add something.
yes.
Yes.
Actually, I have some friends. Actually, they drink. So if they are in the party and I am there, so I have to drink. I have no option, no choice.
Mm,
So sometimes these kind of things also happen.
correct, correct. So
Yeah.
it depends
And
on the moral. I say
yeah,
what
no,
is your decision, whether you are okay with drinking or you are not okay.
no. Actually, what happened? If I will say strong no, so like they will hurt first thing, and they will if like they will take it very long. It will be not
Mm,
end there. It go
mm,
long. Like they
correct.
will yeah, force me, tease me. Yeah, what you doing? We
Mm,
are men should
mm,
took beer. That kind of
mm.
thing. So
So
yeah,
it's perfectly
actually,
fine
yeah,
to
the main
have
yeah
some
main thing is like
light.
those who are the normal friends, definitely I will not attend the party and all that. But those who are my good friend and
Mhm.
study buddy, so I have to
Mhm.
attend that party and
Correct,
where
correct.
what they does.
Exactly.
Yeah,
This is
it
only
happens to
for
them.
socializing only. What
Yeah.
mostly
But actually,
but
it's good thing. Yeah, beer is also
yeah,
a good
it's
thing.
good. It's good.
We can use it
As
as a
long
tool, like if we took
yes,
like some
yes.
time in our
It's
life.
a very good
Yeah. So
networking technique.
yeah,
So
yeah. That is also a good thing. And for
yes.
living a life, we get pleasure actually. It's also a good thing
Mhm.
for a hangover. Sometimes it's good thing actually.
Yeah,
But for addiction is a bad thing. Everything, whatever the addiction is a bad thing. If
correct.
even it's like study, reading is
There
addiction,
is lots
or
of
doing work addiction.
background noise in there. In your, I think.
Yeah, actually, I'm in an auto stand, so I'm at auto stand. So
Okay, okay.
people here fighting actually. Someone enter in line, he came
Hmm.
later, and so
Hmm.
arguing
In
going on.
Kolkata. You're in
Yeah,
Kolkata now.
in Calcutta, Toliganj.
Acha. So
Yeah.
here it is lockdown now.
No,
Since
oh, in Mumbai, right?
yes,
Yeah, actually, yeah, in Mumbai.
entire Maharashtra is in
Yeah,
lockdown now
yeah,
for
Okay,
another
so
15 days.
lockdown.
yeah.
Coming to the topic of lockdown, so Harika, do you think there could be another nationwide lockdown, countrywide lockdown?
There should be another.
Could there be another countrywide lockdown? Indian, can you please switch off your mic for a
Yeah,
while?
yeah, sure.
So, do you think there could be another countrywide lockdown in India?
Yeah, another lockdown. I'm not sure right now. It's something that I cannot comment because if we lock down, then economy effects. If we don't lock down, then public health comes into stress. Public health and your health system will be in stress. So number of cases are rising alarmingly now, all India, and even people are saying that India is reporting cases as much as Spain reported in the first wave and second wave. So similar things are happening in India now. So it's really horrible, but I don't know now. What happened is first wave when attacked in India, Corona. So first wave was taken as very seriously, and we did lots of measures, lockdown and everything, and we controlled the spread curve. Now thing is people are getting vaccinated, and because of that, people becoming more. Uh, it's called a Peltzman effect. People
Immunized.
not immunized exactly. Immunization will take time. Even after vaccine, even after second dose, it takes around 30 days of time to get you immunized. So first dose is taken, and after 45 days, you will get the second dose. 30 to 45 days between that. So you get immunized only after a period of 3 months, 2 to 3 months. So people are after taking vaccine, they are just like खुला सांड है अभी means I can do anything. मुझे कोरोना नहीं होगा कभी. So it is not the case. Vaccine development, a foolproof vaccine itself takes around 5 to 7 years to develop because it is continuously being it will be continuously like feedback will be taken from different cases, and they will continuously improvise the vaccine. So whichever company is producing vaccine, they keep improving that vaccine. So for example, for swine flu, it took almost 5 to 7 years to get a vaccine, which is really effective efficacy. So vaccine is not a single day job or 1 year job or a 6 months job or 8 months job. So it takes years to develop a foolproof vaccine and to eradicate that disease. And meanwhile, when we get immune to such diseases, there might be new strains also coming, new virus, even corona or some other virus will also come. So everyone has to be prepared for that. So now this is a new strain that we see. There are some new strains also of coronavirus appearing. So which are more dangerous, far more dangerous than the first one. So your vaccine is of no use then. If your virus itself has mutated, then your vaccine won't be any more further useful. So you have to take precautions, and precaution is the uh, only measure that can be taken right now to stay safe. Because medicine as such, we don't have any medicine for this virus, and we just doing some antibiotic, antiviral, like azithromycin, remdesivir. So these are all good medicines for different diseases. It is not for corona. This is if we say azithromycin is for common cold, cough, fever, that type of virus it will take care of. And if we say remdesivir, then it is for some Nipah or some other kind of virus outbreak that took earlier in Kerala. So so it is not a foolproof, or it's there is no such medicine as such developed for corona. So still everything's under R&D only. So it's better to be take precautions yourself and be safe. Government will announce, not announce, that is a different thing. But I think there should be partial lockdown at least, all India, means night curfews and restricting of movements. Apart from whatever is essential, only that should be moved, not any other or any other things should be done, like traveling, hospitality industry, all touring and all this should stop. Picnic parties. So it's better to take precaution. Marriages.
Okay, Naman, you are really late. What happened? Why so late?
I have some work, that's why.
Okay, okay, Naman. So, what you do is please explain in brief about the topic AB InBev, because you know it better than anyone else.
So, AB InBev is one of the world's largest beer company. So it's a consumer, company specialized in beverages, and it's one largest. So it holds like brands like Bud Light, Budweiser. So those are the companies which are under AB InBev.
Anything else?
Yeah. So if we move the ball, then we can discuss, right?
Okay, the balls have been moved. I am out of question. Right, I am planning. I am
Why
thinking
you
of ending
didn't
the meeting
research
soon.
about
That's why I
AB
am
InBev?
asking you. Yes.
You didn't research about AB InBev.
Yeah, I researched and I showed the video also. But you know, you understand better. You know better. That's why I'm asking you to say everything you know.
I don't know better, actually.
It was your topic, so you must know.
Yeah, so my topic is there, but you are the moderator. You should know better than me. Right.
As far as I know, it's an alcohol company and it's a beer company, and right now it's trying
Not
to
an
sell its
alcohol.
product.
We
Yeah,
cannot say alcohol company. It's a
beer.
brewery, right? It's a brewer. So one of the biggest brewers in the whole world, right? So many companies which are under AB InBev. Many different type of companies are there. It's just like a conglomerate of beverages. So uh, it's a very modernistic companies. If you say in a consumer space, the data and the analytics they use is very high tech, right? So that is why we have seen so many the predictions of AB InBev. The predictions which they make, that the forecasting which they make is very, very, very firm and very closer to what is in real life, right? So they have big, they have signed big deals with also like NBAs and many other sports campaigns they have started also, and they have many things, and they also have some research labs which I heard about the new types of beer flavors and many other different beverages they are making, right? One of the biggest brands in US is Bud Light, right? So it's owned by AB and Bev. In India, Budweiser is one of the biggest beer brands, right? So who owns that brand? AB and Bev. Many different things can be there. Started mostly in actually AB and Bev was not previously was a different company. So they were Anheuser-Busch and InBev. So what they did is they had a merger, and later the company formed into AB and Bev. I think around 2007, 2006, around that. It's a big. It is one of the biggest companies having like revenue of around like 40-50 billion dollars. And what else I would say? Let's
You have
discuss
said
about
enough.
how it competes. You can also discuss about how it competes with Coca-Cola and other beverages companies. Obviously,
Coca-Cola doesn't.
no. So
Coca-Cola is
it's
a
a
different
beverage.
thing, completely
No,
different.
it's not a
Coca-Cola and
different
AB.
thing. They all come into one category. The all come into the beverages category. They are not different that much. Yes,
AB
it's you
InBev is
can
a
see
beer company, right? And Coca-Cola is,
not
own drink.
only beer company, bro. It also has products which are similar to Coca-Cola. So it's not just beer company. Even though it's beer, we now you go to Reliance Fresh, okay, you will see Budweiser lying there, non-alcoholic, right? So that is a replacement of Coca-Cola. Nowadays I've seen more people, especially the teenagers, 18, 19 years old, they're taking Budweiser's non-alcoholic, and they're preferring over Coca-Cola, right? So this is one of the things you can say, the Coca-Cola versus Budweiser, how the beer company is taking over the teenagers, right? So they have non-alcoholic variants also. So how, right? So there is a direct relationship with Coca-Cola here.
Okay. Okay, Naman. So the last question. Why do you think people drink alcohol? What are the main reasons people drink
Well,
alcohol?
well, alcohol has disadvantages, also advantages also. There are both, right? So it's not always alcohol. There are also non-alcoholic variants, which I have said. There are many non-alcoholic variants which are there available in the market. So the thing is, number one, it's a tradition. Moreover, in the Western countries, right? In Christianity, we, they, what we say, they offer wine to their Jesus or to the Lord, right? So this is one of the traditions which are there in there. It's not a bad thing which we say, but in India it has been said, and if any person drinks alcohol, it's a bad thing. Obviously, it's a bad thing if it's continuous, right?
It's a
If
taboo
it
actually
drinks continuous,
sometimes.
Inder, can you mute? Thank you. So if it's continuous, obviously it's a bad thing, right? But if you drink it like, you know, once a month or twice or thrice a month, so it won't affect you that much. Even like there are some beverages like red wine, which are beer also is very good for your health. Red wine is also very good for your health. Actually the thing is, when you go to the higher alcohol content, that is where some dangerous parts comes, right? It can damage your liver. But beer has very less alcohol content, red wine has little bit less. The most concentrated beverages like whiskey and brandy is also like one of the medicines which is used in in treating what I would say, cold. If a person is feeling so much cold, they drink brandy. And you can also see in the Western countries, they have cold. So to get the warmth, to generate warmth inside the body, they drink. Right. So this is one of the more things. In India, we say, because we have seen so many things, right? So it is just like, just a propaganda which has been started by the media people, I think.
You're done, Naman?
Yes, I am done.
Okay, okay. So I guess let's end the session here. It's already time. So thank you everyone for joining. Thank you
Hariji,
and have a
Hariji,
good
you are
night.
there? Hariji?